Hey guys, what is up? I hope guys you are extremely well. So in this video we'll see how we can make our repository as public from private and how we can rename our repository name. So that is actually simple. First of all, we have to go to settings, and here we can see rename option, repository rename option. So let's say uh, calculator and click rename, and you can see the project name has changed. And then we'll go to again settings and scroll down, and at the end we can see change visibility. Just click here, and here the option change to public, click here, and also click here, and also click here, and again click here. And now if we see, okay, so now you can see that our project or our repository now is public. So yeah, that's the way we can change name, and also you can change status. Thank you everyone.